because I was having problems with my hips. I had bursitis, and the pain was such that every night I would wake up time after time after time, and I'd flip from one side to the other. And I've been coming to Yin Acupuncture for a couple of months now. And I started with 3 treatments a week and pretty quickly went to 2 treatments a week. And now I'm at 1 treatment a week, and I'm almost pain-free. And I've only got a couple of weeks to go, and it's so much better that I wish I had done it a long time ago. So I would definitely recommend it as something for people to try. In fact, I recommended it to my daughter, Madison.
My name is Madison, and I came because I suffered from migraines and gastrointestinal problems, and it has really helped me because it's just it was really bad. And I actually have already told some of my friends that I have done it, and it really helps, and it doesn't hurt at all.